Welcome back, 18! In the midst of the day's lineup, Ken managed to squeeze in a short live stream between the scheduled events. This unexpected segment added spontaneity and gave audiences a quick behind-the-scenes glimpse, further boosting engagement for their day-day appearance in Japan.
Baka malakas pa rin yung bagyo. Huwag kayo umapak sa baha. Ay, kayo din. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much.
Sa Pilipinas pa binibenta.
Good luck, SB. Thank you.
Kahit sa meron.
Okay, is that okay to take? Okay, I'll do that.
Wow.
We have 3,043 viewers right now.
Kaya nga, nasa sahig nga, nalaglag.
Amping, kamupod.
Nalaglag ba?
Amping, hey. Bye-bye. Take care, everyone.